Hello beautiful people, today we'll be talking about desires, and we have our desires in mental plane, emotional plane and physical plane, because we can desire different things. Every person understands and feels things differently, and we are wired differently. So get a sheet of paper and write down, if you are single, your desires, and if you have a partner, write down your desires about you and about the relationship you are in, and what do you want from it. So for example, my desires are, let's say I want to grow myself as a designer and a coach, and I want to spread and give the knowledge, the things I know, to people. The next desire is to go to a specific cruise, and another desire is constantly to evolve and to grow myself. For my relationship, I want to go out and have experiences with my partner. I want for us to challenge ourselves with different challenges, and I want us to be emotionally connected. And after you write all the things down, then you can compare what you have written, and if you have some differences, you may discuss them and reach some agreement. And another good thing is good practice, where the one partner asks the other one, what are you feeling now? Let's say I had a very big quarrel with my partner yesterday, and the next question will be, what you're going to do about this? My answer will be, I will speak with my partner, I will tell her how I feel, and I will do everything to solve this matter for both sides, and to see why we are getting in such situations. And afterwards you have to do what you have said, and to feel your feelings, express your emotions, and achieve your goal. That's it for today. Thank you for your time. Bye. Have a nice weekend.